pronunciation test. Okay, ma'am will say the word twice. You just listen her carefully and start writing the word in your books. And your first word is, ma'am, please say the word.
Aunt.
Aunt. First word is aunt. Completed? Second word is
Bat.
bat. Next,
Cow.
third word. Third word.
Cow.
Third word,
Cow.
cow. Third word is cow. Number 3, near number 3. Near number 3, you write cow.
No need.
No need. Just strike it off and write beside that word.
No need.